What's going on YouTube? Noah back here with another video for y'all. So today, it's Christmas Day, but that's beyond the point. I just want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas. Hope everybody was able to spend it with their family or and just enjoy the day. I'm pretty sure most of us should have it off, but if you don't, I'm sorry, but hey, you're working. So, the clips you're about to see, the video, whatever you want to call it, is from Memorial Day with me and Daniel, though Dobador the welder. This is when he just got his F350, or a little bit after. Well, pretty much just got it. We were going through and cutting the bed off of it a little bit and just hanging out. So this is what we do on Memorial Day. You know, most people take it easy or whatever. If you got the day off, we had the day off, or I had the day off, and I was working, but that's just how it goes. Well, having fun, but walking, one or the other. But anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Hope y'all enjoy all these videos. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and put the likes button, and smash that like button. That tells YouTube we are good folk. I stole that from Western Champion. Sorry. But anyway, hope y'all enjoy. Like I said, y'all have a Merry Christmas, and talk to y'all later.
We're some pretty screwed up people. We get a day off work, and what do we do?
I don't know. What do we do?
It's right here.
You're on camera, by the way.
Yeah, GoPro!
I figured if something's gonna happen, we gotta get on film.
Yeah, exactly. Don't use a crane as a wedgie machine. I got drunk and did that to myself. I was like, with my little bottle jack crane.
Yeah.
I was like, screw it, Charlie's house drinking. And we're like, Justin was like, I dare you to hook that thing to your belt loop and lift yourself up by it. I'm like, okay, you're on. I pulled the crane out, I hooked it to my belt loop, and I was sitting there, the bottle jack, like, and the next thing I knew, I'm in the air. He's like, what are you doing? I didn't mean to actually do it. I was like, what do you mean? He's like, I don't know, I'm drunk. I can't cut. Whew.
So you're destroying your new truck?
Yep.
Okay.
First thing you do with a truck, start chopping it into pieces. It's gotta get worse before it can get better.
Yes. Hey, at least you're not like Chucky and buying brand new tires on something that needs a rebuild.
Wait, what'd he do?
He always buys new tires for every tractor he buys. They may not run, but he buy new tires for it.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait till I know this thing's running before I buy tires. You know, I can run around on the dinky little 27s for a while.
Yeah.
I won't like it, but I can run around on them for a little while and figure it out later. Look at that.
Got a
Look,
hole.
I'm practically icy weld. I can cut stuff with a torch.
Alright, so let's tell them what we're doing here, Daniel.
Alright, so truck nicknamed Gargamel F350. The bed hangs out way too far past the frame for my liking, so we are cutting the bed back. As you can see, we're cutting it back to the pivot point, which it really doesn't even matter because I'm taking all the dump hydraulics out because this thing just sucks as a dump truck. We make it into a flatbed hauler. Probably replace the gooseneck, turn into more of a hauler truck than anything. So I'm cutting these holes out here so I can safely drop this whole back ass end off and not have to be under it as I cut it and it falls. I can do the final severing cut up here. And Noah's got his fancy man crane out here.
I don't know about
His fancy white boy crane.
that we calling it now.
Yeah, the fancy white boy.
That's white boy
Yeah,
crane.
that's what we're
Okay.
calling it.
Okay, sounds good.
Got his fancy crane out here.
Well, we were just gonna be up underneath it and cut it, but we kind of thought that might not be the best idea.
Yeah, something about 1/4-inch steel and all that falling on your head.
I mean,
Kind of like, yeah,
kind of be frowned
life
upon.
isn't bad, but it's not that bad. You know,
So,
it is kind of how I want to go, but now ain't the right time.
yeah.
It's bad timing.
Hey, you gotta wait to get the truck done, then, you know what I'm saying? Gotta at least finish the truck.
Yeah.
Don't worry, there'll be plenty of other trucks to come, so you may probably just do it. So you can watch us try not to kill ourselves.
That took a second. I was like, the hell is that? Thong! Oh shit! Alright, let's try it again. Maybe it'll pop the rest away loose. Ain't nobody gotta get up under there and fuck with it. It's Memorial Day, it's double time.
Hey, I think he's knocking down.
Double time, start my